Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Good morning,
Good morning to everyone. Children, it is a combined class, 4th A and 4th C. Let everybody join and then I'll tell you what we'll do today.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Aman. What makes you laugh? Huh?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ankush. Today we are going to do something very interesting.
Mama, मैं देखो शाम.
Mute yourself. Okay, children, tell me which is the next chapter of SST that we are going to do. After this motions of the earth, what is the next chapter of SST?
Domains of the earth. Domains of the earth.
Domains of the earth. Okay, what do you mean by domains of the earth? Domains. What are different domains? It is where life exists. Domains are different domains of the earth means where life exists. Now life exists on air also, sorry, in the air also, on land also, in water also, right? We have aquatic life in water.
Join us what we are doing.
I'll tell you now what we are doing. I will tell you, don't worry. Uh, we are going to do something very interesting today. Okay, tell me which is the next chapter after domains of the earth. Which is that next chapter?
The major landform of the earth.
Landforms of the earth.
The major landform of the earth.
Okay, so today now let's do. Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, would you book take out?
No book. Today there'll be no book in the class. We are only going to, I have already told 4th C students what is to be done. Now it is for 4th A students. Everybody go and get a chart paper or a drawing sheet or A4 size sheet, your colors, your sketch pens, your scale. We are going to do a little drawing work today.
So, ma'am, can I go to take them?
Yes, all of you go. All of you go. You have 2 minutes to collect your stationery. Everybody.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, coloring. Ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am, colorful sheet.
No, beta, just try. If you have a white sheet, then prefer to use a white sheet. If only if you don't have a white sheet, then you can use the color.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Ma'am, excuse me. Ma'am, I have to make the photo frame. Can I make from the?
You are not doing the work of your choice, beta. I know I saw photo frames in the class group. Beautiful photo frames were made by you all, those who sent. I just loved them. Himangshi ma'am taught you very well. And children made them very nicely. But right now, what we are going to do is, we are going to do a little drawing work related to SST class.
Ma'am, please send the material.
The material is, yes, with Anshu, the sheet is too big. What you can do is, you can just make it into half. Yes, Manya, your sheet is perfect.
Which class is this? SST or ma'am?
Yes, Akshaj, your sheet is also perfect. Aradhya, wonderful. Yeah.
Ma'am,
If you have an A4 sheet, get your A4 sheets. Very good, Naman, Sanvi. Yes.
Then we can use this.
Ma'am, I haven't listened book.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, just very good.
Drawing notebook. In drawing notebook.
Yes, drawing sheets. Drawing sheet. Go get a drawing
Then
sheet.
Ma'am, I have not
we can use papers.
Now be quiet. Those whose sheets are fine, just mute yourself. You will not speak anything. Let me talk to others who have a question in their mind. Beta, if you don't have a drawing sheet, get a chart paper. If you don't have a chart paper, no problem. You can use your SST copies.
देखो बच्चों ने फाड़ा था भी.
Okay?
Ma'am, please see my drawing.
Yes, Vedanshu. Perfect. Perfect. This is perfect. Good. Yes.
अभी फाड़ा.
Ma'am, can we take A4 sheet?
Yes, Akhya. I already told you can take an A4 sheet.
Ma'am, what are we going?
Now what you are going to do, I'm showing it to you. First, you will have to divide your sheet. How you are going to divide your sheet? Just wait.
Ma'am, in this.
Beta, wait. Let me share screen with you.
Ma'am, in this.
In this
Ma'am,
what?
is this
Yes, in this only.
ma'am, is this okay?
Yes, Varshita, it looks okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
tear out the page.
Yes, if you have a big sheet, you can tear it. You can make it into half. Akshaj, but what the sheet you saw me was, you showed me was absolutely perfect.
What we are doing?
I'm telling you what we are doing. Give me just 1 minute to tell you all what we are doing.
मेरी क्लास. अरे तो क्लास में वो बना दे वीडियो जल्दी कर. नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. एक ही साइड का झुके हुए रह रहे हैं.
Okay, here it is. We are going to draw different landforms of the earth.
Excuse
what-
me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, may I cut this size of sheet?
Yes. Just tear it.
Okay, ma'am.
It's fine. Can you see the screen, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have different landforms.
Ma'am, I cannot make.
Tear the page.
Ma'am, what is the difference between a mountain and valley?
Ma'am, you are.
All of you keep speaking. Very nice. Very nice. All of you speak together.
Ma'am,
What?
Ma'am, you are screen sharing. So we are make a landform.
ma'am. Excuse me.
Ma'am, this.
Yes, Ankush, it's fine. Now you have seen other children's sheet also. I have approved it, so I will approve your sheet as well.
Ma'am, I cannot make. Ma'am, I
Bye,
cannot.
Bhavya.
Ma'am, because my mother is not here. She is doing puja. Doing prayer.
So she is doing prayer, then why can't you make?
Ma'am, I cannot.
अरे आइडिया
When I cut the
ये पेज
Okay, then mute yourself. Don't disturb the class now. Anybody else has any genuine question? I just heard a question. Ma'am, what is the difference between mountain and a valley? Now see, what is a mountain? Mountains are high elevated land. High elevated landforms. They are mountains. And what is a valley? A low-lying area between two mountains is called a valley. Is that clear?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to divide the page into two parts.
Yes, you have to divide it into two parts. Like how you can see in the sheet.
Ma'am, we have to use a A4 sheet.
Ma'am, draw this.
And what is peninsula?
Beta, peninsula is a piece of land that is covered with water on three sides.
Ma'am, draw this.
You have to draw this. Aman, what are you doing? What a silly
Ma'am,
question
ma'am,
was that? Of course, you have to do it. From the beginning, I'm telling you have to draw it. You have to draw it. Now, in the end, you ask, ma'am, we have to draw it.
Ma'am, peninsula we say in Hindi tapu.
Okay, beta, I didn't know this. Thank you for telling.
So now you send something on chat box. Please read. Ma'am, my copy has 2 pages left.
What?
Ma'am, my copy has 2 pages. Ma'am, you have to draw on A4 sheet.
You have to draw it in an A4 sheet, beta. Agar A4 sheet nahi hai, draw it in your drawing copy or draw it on a chart paper. You can divide a chart paper. What have I been telling from the beginning of the class?
Ma'am, I am
If you don't have anything, then do it in your SST copy. The last option is your SST copy, the blank side of your SST copy. That's it. If you want to ask any question related to these landforms, you are most welcome to ask. Otherwise, this stupid question now should come to the end. Ma'am, what paper shall we take to draw? Can we take A4 sheet? Can we draw it in a drawing sheet? Now enough of this kind of a question.
Ma'am, is peninsula and island the same?
No, beta, island is covered with water on all 4 sides. Peninsula is covered on 3 sides.
Ma'am, so can we also draw a island?
एक minute. You have to draw island also.
मैम लैंड फ्रॉन्स लिखना है.
बेटा लैंडफॉर्म आपको मैंने अगर शेयर की है स्क्रीन तो क्यों की है? This is the heading na. This is the heading. Why will you just write mountain, plain, valley, island? What are these? These are landforms. These are different landforms of the earth. Okay.
ओके मैम.
Just write the heading and then divide your page. Then label each kind of thing that you draw. You have to name it as well.
Ma'am, from which
Ma'am.
color we have to color?
Is
Your
ma'am,
choice.
Is this,
Use the color of your choice.
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am, land?
No, ma'am, from which color? Ma'am, like, ma'am,
Yeah.
wax crayons or, ma'am, the color pencils?
Beta, your choice. You can even do watercolors if you have.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, is this landforms related to the next chapter?
No. Next chapter is domains of the earth. That also I'll make you draw.
मैम व्हाट इज पेनिनसुला?
Peninsula is a piece of land that is covered with water on 3 sides. One side it is complete land and on 3 sides it has water. While island, you can see island has water on all 4 sides.
ओके मैम.
Ma'am, ma'am, in the third drawing, what is the meaning of this arrow?
In valley,
The arrow is showing.
see the arrow is showing what a valley is. The place between 2 mountains. There is a gap between 2 mountains. The low-lying area between 2 mountains is called a valley.
Okay, ma'am, now I understood.
Children, you have to use sketch pens to outline in the similar way. Can you see how neat the drawing is looking?
Yes, ma'am.
In the similar way, you are supposed to use and use these sketch pens and colors, whatever, and make your drawing look even more beautiful.
Ma'am, can you make mountains with pen? Outer side of mountains with pen.
Better you can use a black pen, or if you have colored your mountain brown, you can use brown color sketch pen to outline it.
Okay, ma'am, I am using black pen.
Yes, you can use black pen.
Ma'am, there are some small place, so I can't color that because when I will use the sketch pen, so I can color.
Okay.
So I am not using the sketch pen. I am using only the pencil.
I hope all
Ma'am,
your questions are clear till now. My God, Varishta still has a question. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in these four landforms, we can also draw deserts.
Beta, right now draw these 8 landforms. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you drawn all of them?
I'm drawing my.
Draw it.
Ma'am, draw and send in WhatsApp.
Yes, when you finish your work, you have to share it on the class group.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is Peninsula?
Beta, peninsula is a piece of land. It is a piece of land that is covered with water on 3 sides.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done. Can you see, ma'am? Can you see?
No, Akshada, beta, please complete it. I want you to color it and then show it to me. Okay? Just finish your drawing.
ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, in WhatsApp group, if we not complete, we can complete from WhatsApp group.
Okay, I'll send it there.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम वैली में गैप रखना है.
Yes, yes, beta, yes.
ओके मैम.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, sorry, I am late. Where we will go?
Beta, you have to draw it on an A4 size sheet. Do you have A4 size sheet? If you don't have, then you have to draw it in a drawing copy.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, please zoom the river one.
What, beta?
Ma'am, please zoom the river side.
River. Zoom the river. Okay. What do you want to see in the river? Let's see. Okay. Seen, Manya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Please, ma'am.
What, Rastya? Hello. Hello.
Ma'am, please send this.
What, beta?
Ma'am, I am saying that, ma'am, please send it on the WhatsApp group if
Beta, see,
anyone.
check the WhatsApp group. Check your WhatsApp group.
Okay.
I have already sent.
Ma'am, I have drawn the diagram. Now I'm coloring.
Have you colored the diagrams?
No, ma'am, I'm
No,
coloring.
then don't, please don't send incomplete work.
Ma'am, what is peninsula?
Beta, peninsula is a piece of land that is covered with water on all three sides.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I doesn't have now a pink color. So can I draw? Can I color the flower with red color?
Yes, beta, you can do that. वो भी एक काट के. Sanvi, you want to say something?
No, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. I have a pink color. Ma'am, I can find it now. It is.
Ma'am, I can't find my brown color, so I'm doing this yellow. It's feeling like mountains.
Okay, beta.
Is it okay?
Yes, beta, it's fine.
Mama doesn't have a skin color. So which color will I do in sand?
Jaskaran, I can't understand even a single word. What did you say, Jaskaran?
Ma'am, I am saying that I doesn't have any skin color. So which color I will do on sand?
Which color on sand? Do you have mustard color?
Ma'am, I don't know which color is
You want to color land, beta? Land.
Yes, ma'am. On Iceland, there is sand.
Beta, you can do light brown color because land is light brown also.
Ma'am, can I use Ma'am, can I use crayon?
Neon color, where do you want to use neon color?
Can I use this crayon?
Crayon, okay. Crayon, yes, of course you can use.
Ma'am, I have color 4 drawings now, 4 drawings left.
Very nice.
Ma'am, can we use sketch pen in coloring?
No, beta, only in outlining.
Ma'am, but I use.
Show me then, show me your work. Okay, these are mountains, valley, peninsula. All right. Now see, does it have impression on the back side of the page? The sketch pen has this impression.
Yes, ma'am, little bit.
Okay, no problem. Since you're not doing it in your social studies copy. Otherwise, the whole page would have gone.
Waste.
Ma'am, please see, I have done the coloring.
Wow, very nice, very nice, Akshada. It looks so beautiful.
Thank you,
Very
ma'am.
nice, Ashray. Very good work.
Ma'am, I have done coloring. Now I am doing the outlining.
Ma'am, I done.
Very
I'm
nice.
send.
Yes. Can I send?
Ma'am, it's less than 1 minute.